So friends, Vivo TWS 3E earbuds recently spot online, and these earbuds visit Indonesia HDPPI certifications. And talking about when these earbuds launch and which specifications in this earbuds and what is price. So first of all, you see this earbuds is very fantastic, and this is online sport, and model number is and talking about specifications. So this earbuds driver size is 12.2 mm, and Bluetooth 5.2 in this earbuds for better connectivity. And for talking about battery backup, so if you charge this earbuds then if you full charge this earbuds, then you use this earbuds approximately 30 hours, and battery backup is very nice. And talking about is price, so first of all, price is not revealed at this time, but I think this earbuds launch in in Indonesia approximately $35. And what do you think, this earbuds, how much price this earbuds, and talking about when this earbuds launch in Indonesia or more other countries. So I think this earbuds launch in Indonesia or more other countries approximately 1 hour 2 months. And and what do you think this earbuds? Please do any comments, and thank you for watching. Please tell me by commenting, and thank you for watching this video.